Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. It feels like I'm filming after ages literally. So today I'm back with very interesting video, and that is my July Fabbag unboxing. So if you are interested in watching this video, then please keep on watching. Okay, so what Fabbag is, if you don't know what Fabbag is, then Fabbag is actually a monthly subscription box in which you will get skincare and makeup related videos. Sometimes you also get sample size products, and there are also full size products. And one thing is great about Fabbag is that they always include only good quality product and known brands. So that's a great thing. If you are really considering going for July or any Fabbag in future, then please go ahead and purchase this, because you will not get disappointed by the brands they send. So yeah, so what happens is you have to pay for 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 9 months or 12 months according to your needs and your requirements. So that's how this works, and you will get your bag every month at your doorstep, which is a great thing. So yeah, let's get into this video now. So July's Fabbag, this month's Fabbag looks something like this. It's actually a PU material bag, which is very convenient because it's rainy season and you always get feared if your parcel will get drenched in rain and your stuff will get ruined. But that's not going to happen this month because this material is definitely waterproof. So this is how I received my bag. It was in a cardboard box, and then I opened it and sanitized everything, because yeah, we are in corona time and can't touch a thing without getting it sanitized. So I also got this because definitely they couldn't fit this into this pouch, so I got this separately. And one more thing, please don't mind my hair in this video, because in monsoon my hair behaves very crazy. I don't know if I'm only one, but it just goes here and there, like it's all over place in monsoon. I hate monsoon just for this reason, because my hair just doesn't like to behave. So yeah, don't mind that. Now let's start with the unboxing now. So when you open this pouch, oh no, wait, let me just talk about this first. So the first product I received here is Sugar Wingman Waterproof Microliner, and it's in the shade 01 I'll Be Black. I'm sure you all are aware of Sugar brand, and it's a very well-known brand, and it's always a privilege to have products from Sugar. So I'm very happy to receive this in this month. Now when you open this pouch, the first thing you can see is Sugar mini lipsticks, like Smudge Me Not mini lipstick. Now thing I want to mention here is you will only get this if you are going for 6 months subscription. If you are going for about that, then you will get this definitely as a free gift from them. And if you're only getting like 1 month, 2 month, 3 month subscription, then you are not gonna get this in your Fabbag this month. So yeah, this is only if you are going for 6 or above 6 months subscription. So I also got this Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick mini set, and there are definitely 4 shades in here, which, okay, let me open this first. Yeah, there are 4 lipsticks here, and I'm gonna only open one for you, not gonna show all of them to you because I am planning to do swatch on Instagram. So I'm gonna open 07 Rethink here just to show you the packaging of this beautiful mini lipsticks. See how compact, travel friendly and mini size is this. I always wanted to get this for my own. Like I recently gave this away in one of my giveaway, but I never really had this for me. So I'm very glad that finally I have Smudge Me Not liquid lipsticks. So yeah, this is how they look. So that's the second product from Sugar. And if you haven't noticed till now, that this one retails for like 499 rupees, and this one pretty much retails for 999 rupees. So it's above the price already, like above the Fabbag's price already. So you can see how much profit you're gonna make if you are investing just 600 per month for this bag, because you are definitely gonna get much more worth product in here. So now I'm gonna show you the card they sent this month. Wait, so here is the card which says Glimpse and Glamour July Fabbag. So it contains all the details of all the products I have received this month. So the one that I just showed you was for 999 rupees, right? Yeah, that was for 999 rupees, and this liner retails for 499 rupees, which is full size product. Now the next thing I can see right here is again a product from Sugar. So it's a win-win bag this month. If you are Sugar fan or you really want to buy Sugar products but can't really afford them, because you are getting 3 products in here. Like I have Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara, again 01 Black Beauty, and this is a mini size or their sample size product, but who cares, dude? It's gonna last you like for almost 30 to 40 application, I'm sure, so that's enough for me. And this is the actual size. Now this one retails for 299 rupees, and I'm not sure about the grams though. So yeah, this is the second product we received this month. I'm gonna show you the wand because I've already seen so many reviews in this for this Sugar mascaras. So yeah, I'm excited to try this out. Please girls, go for this month's bag and then subscribe for 6 months, and you will get like 3 full size, not full size but 3 products from Sugar. That's insane. Now you also get one mask from Sugar. I'm sure we all are in need of mask because can't step out of this home without wearing a mask. So this is how it looks. It's just one layer. It doesn't have any filter or anything, but I'm sure it's gonna work just fine. So yeah, this is how it looks. I'm not gonna wear it because I'm gonna ruin my lipstick if I wear it. So that's the next product. Now this one retails for 99 rupees. Now the next thing I can see here is Mond'Sub's Avocado Nourishing and Tendering Facial Sheet Mask. I have heard very good things about this brand and I never really got my hands on this, so I'm excited to try this out. Now this one retails for 225. Oh my god, this is quite expensive for a sheet mask, but we'll try and definitely share my review on Instagram or something. So this is the next product I got. Now I have the Nature's Coast Tea Tree Hair Nourishing Cream for all hair type. I am really looking forward to try this product. As I just mentioned, I have very bad headache going right now. Like the entire season is just worst nightmare for me. So I'm really excited to try this hair mask on my hair. I think this is kind of a leave-in serum. Yeah, this is leave-on tea tree face serum kind of a thing. So yeah, I'm gonna use this and we'll share the reviews with you. Now this one retails for 225 again, and that's the pretty much about it. I think that is, I'm gonna tell you the size, like how much this contains. Can't see the size. So that's the next product. Now last product here I have is Tvakh Pink Clay Acne Purifying Face Mask D10 Plus Detox. I have heard so many things about this too, like so many beauty bloggers uses this as a spot treatment, so I am excited to use this one also. This one retails for 150 rupees for 25 gram. That's not bad. Like yeah, it's quite good amount and will definitely make good use out of it. So that was the last product in this month's bag, and I'm again gonna show you the bag here, which you can definitely reuse and use it for like travel purpose or something. So yeah, that was all for today's video. So if you have any questions or anything, just go and check my description box out. I'm gonna mention everything in detail over there, and definitely gonna put the link of the Fabbag and where you can purchase this bag. So this is a win-win bag. Please don't think twice. If you have like 600 pocket money this month, then go ahead and just purchase this bag to yourself, and you will be really thankful because you are getting 3 full-size products here. Yeah, we have 3 full-size products and 3 of them are Sugar Cosmetics products. So yeah, just go ahead and purchase this. I am definitely gonna recommend this to all of you. So yeah, that was all for today's video. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll be back with more video very soon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys. Please help me reach 1k subscriber pretty soon, and share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button because that motivates me like crazy. So yeah, wait for my next video. Until then, bye bye.